Recruitment is changing, and so should your hiring tools. Tired of manually screening hundreds of resumes? Missing top talent due to lack of insights? Introducing the all-new AI-powered Applicant Tracking System designed to save your time and find the right talent faster. With our bulk resume analyzer, upload hundreds of resumes in one go. Let our intelligent system scan, analyze, and rank them instantly. Download a structured Excel report ranked by relevance with contact info and JDGS scores all in one place. Need insights on just one candidate? Try our single resume analyzer. Get actionable feedback from formatting tips to missing skills customized to your job description. Our JDGS score measures how well a resume aligns with your job description using AI-driven semantic analysis. Spend less time guessing and more time hiring the right fit. Why choose us? Bulk resume processing, intelligent reports, smart suggestions, JD Fit scores. Empower your recruitment. Make decisions backed by data. Experience the future of hiring. Your next best hire is just a click away.